In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fully automated cold email system using n8n. By the end, you'll have a workflow that pulls leads from Google Sheets, skips people you've already contacted, picks a random template, personalizes it, sends the message, and logs everything back into your sheet. Start by preparing your data. Create a Google Sheet named Leads and add 4 columns: name, email, send status, and time. Add a few test leads, keeping send status and time blank for now. Make sure your column headers are spelled exactly as used here, and that each row has a valid, unique email address. In the same file, add a new tab called Templates with 2 columns, subject and body. Write 2 to 5 templates you'd be comfortable sending. To enable personalization, include a placeholder for the recipient's first name, such as name. For example, "Hi, name. I came across your profile and wanted to connect." Keeping your templates concise and value-focused will help deliverability. Open n8n and add a manual trigger node so you can test the workflow safely without sending anything on a schedule yet. Next, add a Google Sheets node that reads from the Leads sheet. This will fetch all available leads. Confirm you're reading from the correct spreadsheet and tab. Insert an if node to avoid duplicates. Set the condition so that send status is not equal to sent. The true branch will continue to people who haven't been emailed. Then add split in batches and set the batch size to 1, ensuring emails go out one by one for better control. Now pull in your templates. Add another Google Sheets node pointing to the Templates tab to fetch every subject and body you wrote. Follow that with a code node that randomly selects a single template and converts any line breaks to HTML so your emails render cleanly. Add a set node to personalize. Replace the name placeholder with the lead's actual name, and if the name is missing, fall back to there. Create fields for the final subject and HTML body. Add the email send node and connect your SMTP provider. Do not use Gmail SMTP. Use a proper transactional service like SendGrid, Mailgun, Brevo, or Amazon SES. Map to the lead's email, subject to the personalized subject, and HTML to the personalized body. After sending, add a wait node for 30 to 60 seconds. This spacing helps protect your domain and reduces spam flags. Finally, add a Google Sheets node to log results. Use append or update, matching rows by email. Set send status to sent and time to the current time. Now your sheet becomes the source of truth. You've just built a complete cold email automation. It prevents duplicates, personalizes every message, randomizes templates, spaces out sends, and logs everything automatically. Once you're happy with tests, switch from manual trigger to your preferred schedule and let it run.